Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a really handy piece of gear that often gets overlooked, but is absolutely crucial for many audio setups. The 3.3 feet right angle 3.5 into XLR balanced microphone cable. This isn't just any cable. It's designed with specific needs in mind, and after spending some time with it, one can truly appreciate its thoughtful construction and performance. First off, let's talk about the unique selling point here, the right angle 3.5 connector. This might seem like a small detail, but for anyone connecting a phone, laptop, or tablet to a mixer or speaker in a tight space, it's a game changer. It prevents unnecessary strain on your device's port and keeps your setup looking much cleaner and more organized. No more awkward bends or cables sticking straight out, risking damage. The 3.3 foot length is also quite practical. It's perfect for close-range connections, like placing your audio source right next to your mixer or a powered speaker, without having a tangled mess of excess cable. It keeps things neat and tidy, which is always a plus in any audio environment, whether it's a home studio or a live gig. Then there's the balanced aspect. This cable isn't just a simple adapter, it's a balanced microphone cable. What does that mean for you? It means superior noise rejection. When you're running audio signals, especially over even short distances, interference can be a real problem. A balanced cable helps to eliminate hums, buzzes, and other unwanted noise, ensuring a much cleaner and more professional sound. This is particularly important when connecting consumer-grade devices with 3.5 outputs to professional XLR inputs on mixers or powered speakers. The difference in audio clarity can be quite noticeable. The build quality also stands out. The connectors are gold-plated, which is a premium feature that ensures optimal signal transfer and resistance to corrosion over time. This means a more reliable connection and consistent audio quality for years to come. The cable itself feels robust yet flexible, suggesting it can withstand the rigors of regular use, whether it's being coiled up and transported or left permanently in a studio setup. The XLR male end clicks securely into place, providing a solid connection that won't accidentally disconnect during a performance or recording session. For anyone looking to connect their smartphone, tablet, or computer directly to a professional audio mixer, an active speaker, or an audio interface that accepts XLR inputs, this cable is an excellent solution. It bridges the gap between consumer electronics and professional audio gear seamlessly, delivering a clean, balanced signal. It's ideal for DJs, podcasters, musicians, or anyone who needs to integrate a 3.5 source into an XLR system without compromising on sound quality or dealing with messy cables. This cable truly elevates the experience of connecting disparate audio devices, making it an indispensable tool for many. Its thoughtful design and robust construction make it a top contender in its category.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.